Hi, welcome to another episode of CoderZ Bytes. Today's subject is creating a class. Now, unfortunately, this is not a subject I can show you in under a minute, so I'm going to have to cheat. But don't worry, we do have a guided tour, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Now, let's head over to the platform. You can see I'm in the CoderZ Learning Center right now. Over here next to my profile, you can see a little flag and the words "Take a Tour." Now, once you open this, you can see several options. These are all guided tours. Now I'm going to show you the one that says creating a class. It's going to take you step by step and tell you exactly what to click. And you can read the prompts. And it'll tell you everything you need to know about creating a class. So I'm sorry I had to cheat, but we still got you covered. See you next time on CoderZ Bytes.